discoveries about aliens seems to become more. For my scientific achievements, people are becoming more advanced in broadcasting. Good alien life appears. The aliens would probably be a major turning point for human. The type of people who are called worker. UFO hunting seems to be very exciting. When they discover information about a cell door leading to an extraterrestrial base built on Mars, people passionate about finding aliens believe they have found life on stars. Fire after discovering what they gave, that is the Mars base. Neighbors of the land has always proven itself to be a name, cannot be ignored in search activities. Alien swords had very many theories have been proposed about on this planet. Many people have long believed is the second house of life in space, and now they believe even more. They are one proof. That person was when he announced that he had found it. Evidence of a base belonging to the person. The giant Mars Mr. Warriors also gave that these Martians built monuments on the red planet, and NASA has kept it a secret, as can be seen. In the photo, a sculpture. It's a hollow skull. This could be by evidence of a fossilized giant. There are also 2B carved from local stone with all. The evidence so far seems like Mars still contains something. Living for so long, it's hard to believe it. Keep it a secret any longer, but pay. A word for NASA skeptics says the basis on similar findings. The other is just the effect of a parasomnia. Psychological phenomenon. See objects in familiar shapes. Belongs especially. Rocks a recent discovery believed to be boots. The argument for life on Mars is a large black rock that looks like a fossil. Mr. Waring wrote on the blog. When searching on my website, Mars Science Laboratory, I noticed they had placed a photocopy, giant jelly, right on the front page. It's hard for anyone to have fossils and ancient artifact. Missed that another related discovery. Even aliens can do it. The alien hunter peacock announced that they had discovered a statue. There are two faces next to each other on fire. They believe that this is the proof. It cannot be denied that life exists. On the red planet, scientists spend most of their time of my life for the search. Extraterrestrial life has made itself felt. I was so lucky to discover the wall. Lovers on Mars. Like many previously, Mars was always the first place. The first thing people think of when it comes to it. Aliens or a culture. There are many other civilizations besides humans. Even though he is not a scientist, research in this area also has a passion for the two in space. And now with this event, they believe conspiracy theorist Scott Warren, famous, who announced that he had found evidence of a statue above Mars, and that seems to be the face of two lovers near a solid statue. Especially, hey, he even thought there was a picture. Another statue looks like has four legs reminiscent of. The dog theorist does not just declare of evidence of an extraterrestrial land, but also raises the question of whether NASA trying to cover up something. With his rap writing public, Warning says, I found the statue. These aliens do this. I imagine the scene where they once lived, breathe and walk on Mars in reality. These two faces are merged into a heart shape. It seems like the couple, they created this wall for future generations to remember, or even a gift to give. The woman sees her as mean. How about men? I just don't know what NASA will do to acknowledge the truth about life on stars. Perhaps we no longer need NASA confirm such things anymore. NASA, of course, says that the statues and other similar findings are just operative. Parasomnia is a psychological phenomenon. When the brain tricks the eyes into seeing familiar form animation in tissues, shaped or textured like many. People think NASA, concerned with finding life or prove that life on other planets, they just some vague scientific information, stimulate public curiosity. One number of people are convinced that NASA holds it much more information than what they announced at the same time that it was full. UFO experts have also shows the face of an alien on the moon and assume this is 100% proof of extraterrestrial life. NASA titering the aliens themselves. Tin is the author of the above works, and This is 100% proof of existence of aliens, the photo is. Taken in 1972 by two astronauts, Apollo 17 was on the lunar surface. Mr. Warren described, the organs have carved out the faces of outsiders. Planets merged together works. This face sculpting is real. The technique had two faces, Nick. The male is larger on the left in face. The smaller female is on the right of the two halves. Each person's face merged with each other into a very and poetic. Mr. Waring said, I believe, very difficult for most people to see two faces, but they will be able to see that the male face is larger if tilted. The image is 90 degrees to the right, looking at both. The face will be a lot easier, Warren added. However, Mr. Warren's statement has, what evidence does life on the moon or wherever other in the solar system? The sound of knock, the Chinese nation was mysterious sound like someone holding it into the spaceship during its outer journey. Space has made astronaut Trung Quoc felt uneasy. Major General Duong Li Wei was born in 1965 in Liaoning. He is China's first astronaut and is the second 241st person in the feet into space. Duong revealing the mysterious journey in space on the time. In 2003, he completed his mission, lasting 21 hours of history so far. Still haunted by that strange sound, heard upon returning to Earth that hear mysterious female sounds when remembering his journey for an interview. Recent interview Duong V. The process of exploring out in space, there's a lot of noise. Strangely like a knock on the door over. Repeat Duong explaining the sound. This suddenly appeared. The beat is not an outside. Space is also not sound. In spaceship, it's like someone holding a wooden hammer to knock on the Marshall spacecraft sound. The mysterious sound made Duong afraid of flying. The mysterious sound made Duong. This man walks in a spaceship close to the source of the sound. If you discover anything, Duong tried to imitate this. Some tools hope to have it. No universe can solve. But so far, no one, like what Duong Le Tui saw such noises. The China on board Chao 7 also later, similar to a. This is called the result of reduction causes changes in boat as the spacecraft and air leaks from up. Inside the train compartment, the subject is explained to destroy the unknown, but us. Always look for the explanation. What drives us forward? Before now, China is in stage of establishing a solid position. In the northern, Kin has completed the installation, largest radio station in the world. Laboratories and orbiters for the space station. China Cosmodrome also revealed Mars exploration. In October, Beijing declared a regime. Create a space plane that can carry 20 passengers. Visitors to Ria Cosmic are about 100 kilometers. Wings and vertical landing help optimize, enabling the possibility of reusing passengers. Have a chance to experience the environment. Gravity within 2 minutes version. Larger aircraft can lift time. Experience up to 4 minutes cost for such flights are estimated to $250,000 US. The audience is watching the Science and Space discussion. This is the end of our program today. I wish you have a happy and alert new day. Success in today's video has. Hello, see you again in the next video.